Hey Gearheads, welcome back to BZB TV. This is Nate back here from the tech support team, and today we're going to be doing a comparison video of 4 of our HDBaseT HDMI extenders over category cable. And we have multiple options for multiple users for different environments. So today we're going to go over the differences and the similarities and what we offer, what of them each offer, and what you can do with them. So the biggest thing that these 4 extenders share is that they're all HDBaseT certified. And what does that mean is they all have been certified with a high standard that HDBaseT quality and that certification, and that means that they're going to get that video speed over the cable. You're going to get that high quality video image, that 4K at 60 at 444. It's just going to be, you know, that you're going to get the quality that you need from these extenders. Also, these what these extenders share is that they're all POC, which is power over cable. That means that you only have to power up one transmitter or receiver, and the corresponding unit will be powered up through the cable. For instance, if I plug in my transmitter and I just have the power adapter, you have to use the power adapter, power supply on one of them, and then once you plug in the receiver into the cable between the two, it'll be powered up on the other end. And this is great for installations, integrators, anytime you're kind of like in a hard place to put up your extender unit and less cables you have to run, and if you have power, is power limited, they'll help you there as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and dive into each individual one. Kicking it off to my left is our BZBGEAR 150C extender. This goes up to 150 meters. It's actually, of the 4, it goes the furthest distance. These all go up to either 70 meters or 100 meters, still pretty far. This one's great for if you just want to go the distance. It goes 150 meters over at 1080p or 394 feet at 4K at 60. It also has your standard features of bidirectional IR. So if you want to extend your IR signal for your remotes, for cameras, or your remote for a TV. It also has RS-230 control, as all 4 of them do as well. So that's a great unit for that. It also has CEC control, and just a great unit to send your video signal over Cat5e, Cat6, or Cat7, depending on your situation, how thick your cable wants to be, how fast your speed wants to be, but it supports that all as well. And moving on to our next extender, this is the BZBGEAR 70C4. This will not explode on you, but it is a dynamite extender. This goes up to 70 meters. This is at 4K at 60 or 230 feet, so not quite as far as the 150 meters, but 70 meters at a quality image. This also supports, like the other ones, RS-232, bidirectional IR in and out, but also additionally, this actually has digital audio input and digital audio embedding and de-embedding. This one only had analog 3.5. This has the SPDIF digital audio extraction as well as input. So if you're looking for that digital audio input or embedding as you will, you can also extract that as well. This also supports ARC if you're looking for audio return channel as well. So this is another great extender for those additional support there. So moving on to our next extender, this is the BZBGEAR 100C5. And this is 100, it goes up to 100 meters at 4K at 60 or up to 330 feet. So it's a little further than the 70 meters. But same ports as this one, but some additional ones, RS-232 bidirectional IR in and out. But also this one has the digital audio embedding and de-embedding as well. But a great feature about this one is the LAN port. It actually has a LAN extension. If you're looking to extend your Ethernet, you could do that as well. Just go from one end to put the Ethernet connection on your transmitter, and then you can extract it from the receiver as well. So this is a great unit for that. Same thing, you can use Cat5e, Cat6, Cat7, also supports ARC as well. So if you're looking for that, additionally for a little further distance and also Ethernet connection, this is the unit for you. And lastly, we got the mothership of all of our extenders is our HDBaseT extenders, is the BZBGEAR 100C6. And this one has it all. It could go up to 100 meters at 4K at 60 or 330 feet as well. It has an HDMI loop out. So if you're looking for the additional display on your transmitting end, you could do that as well. It has ARC. Also, it has digital and audio extraction or embedding as well, RS-232. Another key feature of this unit is the KVM functionality. You can have, it has 2 USB ports for for your peripherals, and then also a USB host. So if you want to connect to your joystick or your mouse, your keyboard, whatever it may be on one end and have your computer on the other, you can do that as well if you're looking to extend that. Any kind of peripherals you could plug in, so it's a KVM extender as well. Also, you can additionally switch between your audio sources if you want to do your channels, your loop out, and then you can switch between host. Each transmitter could be either host or a active device, where you can either be the devices on one end or a host device. So it can do it all, and also this additionally does the LAN extension as well. And lastly, with this extender, it's recommended using a Cat 6 or Cat 7 cable, because you'll get that full bandwidth shielded, just to make sure you're getting that high quality every feature through that cable from that distance. So, well, there you have it, gearheads. As you can see, we have a lot of options here for HDBaseT extenders here at BZBGEAR. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, or feel free to reach out to us, contact us. Want to maybe hit up one of our sales associates. We'd love to answer any of your questions if I didn't cover anything here. I know I went over a lot, and each extender can either do different distances, audio extraction, LAN extension, RS-232, bidirectional, some of HDMI loop outs. Everyone is obviously at different price points, so if you have a different budget, we'll work with you on that, or we have options for different budgets. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to videos like these so you'll be notified when more videos like these come out. And as always, have a great day.